images. It's so sad that we can't see the fireworks. Yeah, there's a lot of fireworks, and I saw a while ago, baby, a flag. There's an image on it. It's a rectangular blue.
Yes.
Over there, and it's so far away. Look over there.
Oh yeah, I see the big.
Oh, what's that? That's a chair. Oh, that's a chair. Baby, don't move mommy's hands, baby darling. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out to our live viewers. Hi Lexi, Kyrie, Steven, Naja.
Yeah.
And
the fireworks.
Lee.
The fireworks make with chairs with fireworks.
Okay, but look, it's just too far away from us. Mega love shout out to our 22 live viewers. Oh, you wanna go there? Oh, it's big now. It's big now.
Wow.
Look, it's getting bigger.
And now it's bigger too.
There.
And bigger.
Yeah, baby, don't move mommy's hand. Shaking.
Okay.
Please.
I know if it is so big, giant, they're gonna be giant like daddy.
Yes.
Oh, it's quite bigger.
Look at that. Yay, we can see a little bit more bigger than a while ago. Baby, can you please, baby, go? Oh, look.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Thank you, darling. Look at that. Tell Ate, we can see some
Natalie, in the peril, I see the
Say
big,
Ate.
giant fireworks.
Oh, look at that, baby. Look.
Wow.
Oh, wow. It's more beautiful.
But what?
In the person that done in the video.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yay. It's Victoria Day tomorrow. So we have this fireworks. Wow, nice. Oh no, my goodness.
Oh, this is my chair for this. I'm gonna put it in there.
Look, baby, the fireworks, baby. It's getting bigger.
I can sit there.
Look.
Huh?
It's getting bigger.
Wow.
Nothing. No more. There's more.
Wow.
Boom, from Kyrie, Steven. I want a big one. Us too. Oh my goodness, baby, don't move mommy's hand, I said.
I want a giant hand. I want a giant fireworks.
Hannah, baby, please.
Okay.
Look over there. Oh, see? The one. That's a big one.
And that too.
Wow.
Let's see.
That's it? That's all? No more? Oh, there's one. Wow. Ooh. Nice. Just so far away from here. That's why it's blurry.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, baby. Come here. Join us.
It's a big fireworks.
Look.
I wanna see big
It's a big one over there. It's just too far away, guys.
I
You can just
get no space.
No, you can see baby in the balcony. Dali, go over there. Yeah.
I can see the balcony.
When I zoom in, it looks like this.
Oh, there's no more fireworks. Oh, there.
No, yeah, there's more.
What about just my shirt and my feet?
Your feet.
Yeah, so do this.
We can see the fireworks properly.
Yes.
First and foremost, it's so far from us. Second one is the sky is, wow, that's a big one. Baby, that's a big one, baby. Don't go. Go. Just a look. Oh, wow. Nice. It's very nice.
Can I read a story? I got a nice idea.
Nice idea.
This one.
No, it's okay, baby. Go. It's okay. Thank you. Look, baby, look.
Wow.